Hello and good morning from Stechford Station in Birmingham. Stechford is a commuter station in the heart of Birmingham, and we are here today to review standard class of a Class 350 Desiro diesel multiple unit. There's Transport for Wales coming as well. So, Stechford is made up of 3 platforms. Platform 1 for northbound services to Birmingham New Street and on, and platform 2 is Birmingham International to London. But platform 3 is served by diversions and freight services on a daily basis. So we need platform 2 to go to Birmingham International, which is where we're going to be travelling with LNWR on board a Class 350 diesel multiple unit built by Desiro's. So we do not have reserved seats for this journey, and we will just be in standard. So our service will be the 10:56 to Birmingham International, which is where we will be terminating. There'll be a review of these in the future, as we've got an Avanti Pendolino coming down platform 1. Pendolino that is actually on fire. Okay, maybe a slight exaggeration there, but anyway, our train is the 10:56 on platform 2 from Rugeley Trent Valley to Birmingham New Street, and it will be a 4-car 350. So Stechford used to have poor access to people with mobility impairments. Where you can see the ticket office over there on the Birmingham platform, it used to just be a set of stairs down to platform 1, and the old bridge used to be just here to get over to platform 2 and 3. But in 2020, the new mobility bridge and ramp was installed along with lifts on platforms 1 and 2. And these lifts are pretty spacious. Yeah, these lifts are pretty spacious, obviously being made for people with wheelchairs. So, Stechford, like I said, does have platform 3, which is served by freight and diversions. So our train is on time, and it will be, like I said, 10:56. So there are 3 stops from Stechford on the international line, including Birmingham International. This will be 2 minutes later stop at Lee Hall, 5 minutes after Stechford and Marston Green, and finally arriving at Birmingham International after that. So now, after a little bit of waiting, the time comes to board our train. So here comes our Class 350. And it is 350-107. We will be travelling on here, like I said, just in standard class. So, time to get on board. So, seating is in a 2+2 configuration, and
welcome aboard this West Midlands railway service to
are complimentary with little fold-out tables here, but obviously there is
next
also
stop
the
will be Lee Hall.
big tables in the 2 and 2 configuration as well. So we leave 2 minutes late approximately, just due to the Pendolino that was in front of our service, and we set off from Stechford at 10:58, only 2 minutes after our scheduled departure time. So, first stop in about 2 minutes is Lee Hall. If I could just say something, these seats are actually pretty comfortable on Class 350. Yeah, seats are pretty comfortable.
Next stop will be Lee Hall.
And that's where I'll see you next. So on board the Class 350, there are obviously the boards telling you the stops, but these aren't exactly working that well because it still says the next stop is Ashley Park. On board there are toilets, so let's go and have a look at them. So one element of the 350s is being able to walk through carriages.
Lee Hall.
And we are now at Lee Hall. So the toilet is very spacious on a Class 350, and everything is working as it should be, and everything is stocked. So our next stop is Marston Green. About 3 or 4 minutes after Lee Hall, and our departure time was 11 o'clock for Lee Hall, and we have made up the time along the way, so we depart Lee Hall on time at exactly 11 o'clock. So just before we call into Marston Green, the tables are spacious. You get the armrests in the middle of the seats as well. Also, you do have the plug sockets for USB and chargers. And now we are pulling into our final stop before Birmingham International, Marston Green Station, with an approximate departure time of 11:03. We will be able to depart perfectly on time. Also on the Class 350s is Wi-Fi. So on the Class 350s there is complimentary Wi-Fi, which all you have to do is sign in, and it is just the email and then you are on. So we are now on the final stretch before Birmingham International, which is obviously for Birmingham International Airport and the NEC and Resorts World, along with Resorts World Arena. So we depart Marston Green on time, and it is no less than another 3 or 4 minutes before we reach our final destination, Birmingham International. So we can see a second ago the runway for Birmingham Airport, and that can only mean one thing, that we are pulling in to Birmingham International. And here we are at Birmingham International. So I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Class 350 diesel multiple unit, and I'll see you in the next video.